PC bang. They're everywhere in Korea. This is a PC room or a PC cafe. So you go inside, and you'll find a really big room full of computers and gaming chairs. Find yourself a seat and sit down. On your desk, you have a gaming mouse, gaming keyboard, phone charger that's wireless, a speaker, and a big monitor. To start, you need to enter your ID and your password. If you're a new member, you press the bottom left, which is to join membership. It says a bunch of things in Korean, just tick all of them to agree, and then press next. You have to verify yourself. So at the very top, you choose your username. Then you write down your name, a password, confirm your password, your date of birth, male or female, and your phone number. Check your text messages and fill in the code and enter your address. You can only pay using Kakao Pay. Otherwise, go to a nearby machine. You can pay by cash or card or T-Money, which hasn't been activated. And at the bottom, you can also join membership too. Once you paid, you can now log in. Just logged in and they check your information, like if you're sick or whatever, and then you press check. You end up on a screen full of advertisements, so just close it. On your screen, there are many things you can do. So in the top left, there's a printer. If you double click it, you can activate it. On the bottom, there's a bunch of games that you can play. There are many things you can do. Above is a gaming headset that you can also use, unless you just want to use speakers. You can wirelessly charge your phone while playing games. If you need more credit, press the top right to pay for more. So there are options. It says time and price. Pay by Kakao or go back to that machine from earlier. So you can get drinks and food here. We printed out some things and we have to pay for the printouts that we wanted. We paid by cash, 500 won per piece of paper. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!